Evening, everyone. I am Jocelyn M. Santos from Bulacan State University, Philippines. I will be presenting the results of my study entitled The Influence of Instructors' Technological, Pedagogical, and Content Knowledge, or TPAC, on the self-regulated learning online of the students. Instructors enhance self-regulated learning, or SRL, through engaging and autonomous learning design. The TPAC framework by Coeller 2016 integrates technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge to improve instruction and can boost SRL in online settings, and that's according to Ni et al. And Sim et al. In 2023. After reviewing related studies on the TPAC and SRLO, the author observed that research involving college instructors across various programs is quite limited. Most studies on TPAC focus on pre-service teachers. Additionally, there is a lack of studies comparing the TPAC of instructors with students SRLO. This is the first study to explore whether instructors' TPAC impacts students SRLO. The study aims to evaluate the TPAC of instructors and its impact on student self-regulated learning in online learning courses. It seeks to describe instructors' TPAC across its components like content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, technological knowledge, pedagogical content knowledge, technological content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and assess students SRLO in goal-setting environment structuring, task strategies, time management, help-seeking, and self-evaluation. It further investigates the significant influence of instructors' TPAC on students' SRL performance and proposes a training program to enhance both. To assess the technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge of instructors and examine how it influences self-regulated learning online of students in online learning environments. The specific goals are to describe the instructor's TPAC across its domains. Second, to describe the student's SRLO across its components. Third, to find out if TPAC significantly affects SRLO. And the fourth one, to create a training program to improve both TPAC and SRLO. The study employed quantitative descriptive correlational research design to explore the relationship between instructors' TPAC and students' self-regulated learning in online courses. Survey questionnaires were used as the primary data collection tools. The TPAC instrument adopted from Smith et al. In 2020 contained 28 items distributed across 7 subscales and demonstrated high reliability, Cronbach's alpha. The SRLO questionnaire was adopted from Broadbent et al. In 2022, assessing various aspects of students' online learning self-regulation. The study involved 299 instructors and 381 students from the main campus and 5 external campuses of a state university in Bulacan. Instructors from the various colleges, with the College of Criminal Justice Education and College of Nursing representing the largest shares. Student respondents were nearly equally distributed by sex, having 53.28% female and 46.72% male, with the largest groups from the College of Business Administration and College of Social Sciences and Psychology. Data analysis involved statistical testing to determine the significant influence of instructors' TPAC on students' SRLO. So this study is based from the TPAC framework introduced by Coeller in 2016. It emphasizes the integration of technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge to enhance teaching and learning. It highlights that effective teaching requires not only mastery of the subject matter and instructional methods, but also the ability to integrate and use technology effectively. The framework identifies the intersections of this knowledge areas, such as technological pedagogical knowledge and technological content knowledge, to provide holistic approach to instructional design. TPAC guides educators in leveraging technology to create meaningful, engaging, and student-centered learning experiences. Another framework used in this study is the Zimmerman's 2000 Self-Regulated Learning Framework, which conceptualizes learning as an active, constructive process where students set goals, monitor their progress, and adjust strategies to optimize learning outcomes. SRL involves three cyclical phases: forethought, performance, and self-reflection. In the forethought phase, learners set goals and plan strategies. During the performance phase, they implement strategies and monitor progress. Finally, in the self-reflection phase, learners evaluate their performance and adjust their approaches for future learning. Zimmerman's SRL framework emphasizes the importance of metacognition, motivation, and behavioral control in fostering independent, effective learners capable of adapting to different learning environments. For the result of the study, the results indicate that instructors generally possess some knowledge across various components of the technological pedagogical content knowledge framework, as reflected by an overall mean score of 3.12. Instructors rated themselves most confident in pedagogical content knowledge and content knowledge, each with a mean of 3.15. The integration of pedagogical content knowledge and content knowledge is essential for effective teaching in the digital age, enabling educators to design engaging learning experiences that align with students' needs, according to Ajani in 2024. However, Galindo's 2023 study revealed that teachers had a moderately low level of content knowledge. This suggests that teachers may lack confidence in their subject matter expertise, which is essential for effective teaching. The instructors were less confident in technological pedagogical content knowledge, which had lowest mean score of 3.07. Another study, although both novice and experienced translation instructors at Saudi universities generally hold positive attitudes toward TPAC, their confidence is limited by a moderate level of knowledge and a need for additional professional development, according to Alian and Alja in 2024. Quick's 2017 study revealed that while student teachers possess technological knowledge, they lack technological pedagogical knowledge and technological content knowledge. Furthermore, the study found that they also lack technological pedagogical content knowledge. The findings of this study suggest that while instructors have a foundational understanding of pedagogy, content, and technology, there is room for growth in integrating these elements, particularly in effectively using technology in teaching practices. Strengthening instructors' ability to combine content, pedagogy, and technology into cohesive strategy will enhance their teaching performance and benefit students, particularly the self-regulated learners. Results for the students: the highest score was for task strategies, where students used examples and organization to enhance learning consistently, with findings by Geneva 20, et al. 2020 and and Turker in 2024. While students showed good effort regulation and metacognitive strategies, online intrinsic motivation was slightly lower, indicating that external factors still influence engagement. Supportive social environments and a conducive study environment fostered engagement, as supported by Dewey et al. 2023. However, negative emotions, including anxiety and helplessness, remain challenges, potentially hindering learning, as suggested by Dong et al. In 2023. Table 20 summarizes the regression analysis examining the influence of instructors' technological pedagogical content knowledge on student self-regulated learning online. The results reveal a strong positive relationship between TPAC and SRLO, as indicated by the unstandardized coefficient and standardized coefficient. The high value of R and R squared indicate that TPAC explains 90.2% of the variance in SRLO. So the relationship is statistically significant. Overall, the findings confirm that instructors' feedback has a significant and strong effect on students' online self-regulated learning. The study reveals that while students generally demonstrate strong self-regulation in online learning, areas such as intrinsic motivation and handling negative emotions need improvement. A key finding is that instructors' TPAC significantly influences students' self-regulated learning online. So the proposed training program aims to enhance instructors' technological, pedagogical content knowledge and improve students' online self-regulated learning online. Recent assessments reveal gaps in TPA components, including technology, pedagogy content knowledge, and technology knowledge, which hinder innovative tech-driven teaching. For students, weaknesses in motivation, self-efficacy, and time management limit online learning success. So the program offers hands-on workshops for instructors and motivational, emotional regulation, and time management activities for students. So aligning with institutional goals, this initiative seeks to foster a technology-enabled, engaged, and self-regulated learning community, promoting academic excellence in evolving educational landscape. So for the conclusion of the study concludes that the instructor's TPAC significantly influences students' SRLO. Students demonstrated strong self-regulation skills, especially in task strategies, effort regulation, and social support, but faced challenges in intrinsic motivation and managing negative emotions like anxiety and helplessness. So the study highlights the need for enhancing instructors' TPAC through professional development, offering emotional support for students, and incorporating interactive elements in courses to boost motivation and engagement. It also notes the scarcity of studies exploring the TPAC SRLO relationship among college instructors, suggesting future research in this area. So to improve, for the recommendations, to improve online learning outcomes, institutions should focus on enhancing instructors' TPAC through continuous professional development as it significantly influences students' self-regulated learning. Conducting the same study with college instructors across programs is also recommended. Finally, integrating more interactive and engaging elements in courses will boost students' intrinsic motivation and overall engagement. Thank you for listening.